Welcome to another day in Apex Apartment Lifestyle. Today I'm out to do shopping for meats, Jamaican meats. Alright? So here we are. Come with me, let me show you what I want. Alright? Here we go. Are we ready? Alright? So work with me. Alright, so inside, inside the supermarket, and we're gonna look at Jamaican products and prices. We are moving in the meat section where you can see all the chicken, the cow foot, oxtail, fishes, and stuff. Alright, so this is your cow foot. So you can get your cow foot. Prices for cow foot, and then we have cow feed, $3.19 a pound. Alright? Then we're gonna move over to the oxtail. Oxtail is $11 a pound for oxtail. And this is it. Real raw oxtail. See? That's the oxtail. And if you need an entire box, like they got the box of oxtail, box of oxtail is like 15 pounds. You can get it like for $104 for 15 pounds. Which you will get it at a cheaper price, at a retail price, if you're gonna buy it at that price. Right? And over here you got the goat meat, the mutton. So you wanna buy mutton. See the goat meat? These are the mutton. Over, and if you want to buy liver, that's the beef liver, livers, right? A lot of people like pork and they eat pig meat. This is the pig ears. They sell the pig ears also, and I will remember pig trotters like the pig foot and pig feet. These are the pig feet that they sell, the pig feet, just the same. I'm moving along. We're moving along with it. This is chicken leg. Big chicken legs. Alright. And if you want to go do chicken soup, it's already cut. It's already cut just the same. Moving over, this is the pork shoulders, pork. Gonna do the pork shoulders. Alright, now we move over to the fish. These are snappers. These are yellowtail snappers. Leon snappers. These are red snappers. Red snappers. This is a fish they call whitening. A lot of people like to eat whitening. Oh, tilapia. I see mackerel. Yeah, so that's pretty much shrimp. Yeah. Cooked shrimp. And if you want to buy a box of the red snapper, see the red snapper? If you want to buy a box of the red snapper prices goes for like 79, almost 80 bucks. So that's almost 80 bucks, 79.99 for a box of red snapper. And if you want to go shrimp in a bag, same price. And if you were wondering where you get your codfish or your saltfish that you could use with your ackee, these are all a lot of saltfish or codfish, different style, different containers, different bags with ackees. Different bag of saltfish that you could put with your ackees. They have them even in chunks. These are prices. See different prices. Come with us again when we go cooking or we go shopping for the Jamaica foods. Right? Like, subscribe, and share. Alright? And look out for more videos. Just like, subscribe. Alright? Thank you. Yeah, man. There's a lot more to come. Alright? Lot more.